Yep, zip. What's up?
Not too much.
What do you think?
It's Miata. It's clean.
Miata. Yeah.
It's clean. I'll give you that.
Yeah.
Fuck man, the interior's so much better than any of these.
Oh, dude, I know. The seats are so much better too.
Are they?
Yeah, you can have a seat.
Did you guys like polish it today or anything?
No.
No.
I haven't done a single thing to it.
I mean, it looks clean.
Pretty decent.
Let me love you. Come here.
Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Holy fuck.
It's a little dirty.
How do you even like manage that?
It lives on a dirt road.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is the
It's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it lived on a dirt road, so.
Holy shit.
Engine bay is pretty dirty. I don't know. Yeah. The paint's clean, but the engine bay isn't.
When you're going forward, it would go this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're on backwards.
Sick.
See the rotation marks?
Oh.
This way it's opposite, so a dude's retarded. I just don't get like.
Yep. Yeah, I got the installation kit here. That's that, and then this is Dad's old radio.
Okay.
That I'm assuming will fit. So I guess we'll find out. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick, and today we were doing the first mod on my Miata. We're actually doing a radio, because the stock one sucks and doesn't have an aux cord, so that's kind of a big deal. Just got a little cheap radio that my dad had. Hopefully it'll do the trick, and as well as a installation kit that I got off Amazon. I'll leave the kit link in the description so you guys can check it out if you're interested. That's sick.
Basically, the idea is there's only there's gonna be an antenna in. Then we'll do one ground. This is probably the ground. We can put this anywhere. I think I have like eye hooks to do it.
Yeah.
So there's literally only one plug because you don't have steering wheel buttons and shit like that. So it makes it really easy. So there's just one plug, and then we got to find the pin out for the radio, and then all we do is attach it to harness, and then harness goes into the OEM Miata connector.
Cool. All right. There we go. Sick. All right. So we got Will got the big head unit out. Honestly, there's no right way to do it. You're supposed to use these kind of pins to kind of stick it into. There's these little kind of holes alongside here, and apparently you're supposed to stick it in and push out, and it should come out, but it just doesn't. So we found the easiest thing to do was kind of take this trim off, and then basically just stick a screwdriver in and kind of yank at it, and Will was able to do it, so good on you.
Yeah.
Okay. So just this one, and then I'm guessing this is the antenna?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Easy.
Sweet. We were just about to start soldering and wiring the harnesses together, but we can't really do that. We don't have the, what is it? The crimping thing called?
Crimpers and
crimpers.
soldering iron.
Yeah, so we have to go to Will's work to get it, which is a good time to drive the Miata, because I haven't really driven it since it's been a 1.8 liter. That. I bet he's a little clammy. Stop.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god! Holy fuck, dude! Oh, what the fuck? That was an actual gunshot.
Isn't that fucking crazy?
It's fast. It feels faster than my car.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Absolutely, dude. That's fucking nuts. Take some of that.
Yep. I'm just, oh cool, comes with battery. Yep. Get some of it on the tip. Good. And then, yep, just pour it on. Should like dab on, you'll see. Yep, that should work. You can see, yep, still does a pull test. That's good. Done. Prettiest, no, but that's fine. Like wiring stuff doesn't really need to be like amazing pretty.
Right.
Yep. And then just put the lighter underneath, kind of give it some light. Don't get too close to it. You'll see if it burns. So. Yep. Yep. Just make sure you move it a bunch. And that's probably good. Is there a power button? Oh, there it is. Power source.
Well, fuck. We have power.
Okay.
Well, we do have sound because there's static.
Does it sound like?
Working?
Does it sound like it was before? It sounds like shit.
A little bit better.
Sounds better? Okay, I was gonna say it sounds like shit to me, but you don't have.
I mean, it sounds like shit to you, but.
Yeah, you need good speakers. But yeah, okay. So I think we got lucky. All right, cool.
Shit.
You got your phone on you?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Sweet.
Yep.
Alright, fuck yeah.
I actually like it too. Like it's a textured knob. Like it's got rubber on it, so it actually feels really good to go up and down with it.
Alright guys, what's up? My name is Patrick, and it's a couple days later than when you guys are watching the video. It was really dark out, so I didn't really want to film much because it wouldn't really make sense. So I'm just going to show you guys what the radio actually looks like now that it's finished. So here's what the radio actually looks like. I think it turned out pretty nice. It looks pretty good. The main thing is that I have an aux cord, and then also has a USB, but in all honesty I'm not sure if that charges or plays. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it works. Sounds good. Change the colors. I kind of have it as like a red right now. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, have a good one, guys.